Pompsie!
Another one.
As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to be a...
Today I'm finally getting to meet a YouTube friend of mine who I've known for years but have never met until today.
Finally we get to meet in person. My man.
So we're taking a limo, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why not, right?
Why not?
I mean, that's how we gotta do it for Pompsie, right?
So we got
Nice to meet you.
a hookup. We're going to the donut bar in fashion this morning. Yeah, I gotta see the sign. What's up, man?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
That's for you,
That's
my man.
beautiful. Look at that. Thanks, man. So we're going to the donut bar today, and this is Matthew's kind of claim to fame here. Can you actually talk about that? Yeah, like how that.
Well, they're Jeff and Joe. They own the donut bar. They are incredible people, and they're so supportive of me and my channel. And what we do right now is, if you mention me at donut bar, you get 10% off. And we had a cardboard cutout of me there, and yeah, he kept the donut bar company. Well, I was away this whole time after the shutdown, but yeah, now I'm gonna go take Pompsie and Greta to get some donuts.
Say hi to Joe. This is Chris.
What's up, man? Chris.
Joe.
Nice to meet you.
Hi. Nice to meet you, Greta.
Coffee, donuts, and
Look at this one. Can I
fish.
see this one?
Fish tank. This is the most random thing I think I've ever seen.
This is creme brulee.
Is it good?
Yum.
Quick donut drop off at the plaza.
Alex, we're going up. We're going out of the roof.
Let's pop out here for a second. All right, quick pit stops.
Thank you so much.
Next,
Let's go.
next stop, Cosmopolitan.
Too many floors.
I've never seen a room with this big of a door.
Pompsie! Let's go! How many? Where are you guys? I lost you already.
Hey guys. So today we are once again at the Cosmopolitan. We're on the 60th floor of the Chelsea Tower, staying in a penthouse. Now, last time I was in a penthouse in Cosmo, it was in the Boulevard Tower. Completely different style, completely different feel. Let's show you guys around. sick room, right? Definitely so different than the other penthouse though. A little different. Got like a golden theme here. The other penthouse, more of a dark theme. Both minimalist though, both modern, you know. Also both amazing views, although there's no terrace, there's no balcony, but still amazing view. Look what I just discovered. This is the handle for the sink. Look, it's like a little joystick, watch.
They're hiding in here. Were you guys hiding this whole time?
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay, you could be a part of it. I didn't know where you were, it's so big. There's everyone. We got Pompsie, Greta, and Norma.
Hola.
We're just exploring this room.
So I think this little office room is probably my favorite part about this penthouse. Something that you don't really see in Vegas. Office rooms, you know? I really like it, it's cool. And Matthew showed us one thing that I missed about this room. There's like a secret closet inside of the toilet room in his bedroom. I'll show you. There's the toilet. And then, I don't know what this is. What is this? We are at the Wynn right now. We're going to the Lake of Dreams show. Something I have yet to do on the channel. We're gonna show it off tonight.
Fonzie!
Is there a spot?
I can breathe.
Okay.
Breathe.
We just sat down. We're at the Lake of Dreams. We just left. Very chill spot to get a drink. You got the free shows, and they have so many different types of shows. Highly recommend. This is my first time, and it was a lot of fun. All right, we're back at the Cosmo. We're going to see Opium, the show Opium.
I'm excited. I'm excited. I've never seen it before.
I'm not really excited. I'll explain why later.
As long as I don't get picked on, because I'm stressing. That's the worst part about shows. I'm like, don't pick me.
Yeah, we're in the front row.
Ah.
Sorry to interrupt, passengers. It doesn't seem like we're missing a few people who haven't checked in yet. So if you do hear your name, just raise your hand so that we know you're here. Welcome aboard. Hi. We're looking for Anita Bass. Anita Bass. Is she here yet? Anita Bass. No. Eileen Dover.
I'm hoping. I'm hoping.
A million times I've asked you. Again,
What's going on? What are we watching here? Banana.
All right. What did you think?
I really liked it. That was a good show. They're very engaging in the show. I was smiling the whole time. I enjoyed it. There were some parts, now I know what he's talking about.
Yeah,
But,
yes.
Overall, I recommend the show for sure.
Yeah, great show. Just that one part.
So Pompsie was actually a part of the show too. You got to throw the ring. I'll send you that clip. You can put it in.
Yeah, Greta was throwing a dildo during the show. And I was throwing a ring during a juggling act, and I had to throw it to them. And I didn't mess up.
What do you got there?
Good morning. All right, another stay at Cosmo wrapped up. Pretty good stay. Probably overall, maybe my most fun stay at the Cosmo ever. Hanging out with Matthew and Norma, and Greta, of course, was really fun. The room wasn't as nice as the other penthouse, but you can't really get on that level, you know. That penthouse was insane. But this room was really spectacular regardless. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Peppy, say bye. Say bye, Pep.